Hear me very, very carefully. I am saying all this to help you when you are struggling in solving. Don't stress your mind too hard. This video is going to make a sense in giving you a right solution, and everything will fall in place. Coming to the point, today's topic is on regression. So there are two equations, that is regression equations of x on y and y on x. And the problem related to this is the most important question here. The heights of mothers and daughters are given in the following table. From the two tables of regression, estimate the expected average height of a daughter when the height of the mother is given as a 64.5 inches. Here, the height of the mother in inches are given. So these are the x series, and the height of the daughter is given in inches, which are the y series. See, in the solution here, first of all, we have to take what is x here. X is nothing but the height of the mother. And next one, y is nothing but the height of the daughter. Clear? And next we have to frame an equation. So here we have to find out the assumed mean here. So this is related to the assumed mean. So before going into this, let me recall all the equations here, the regression equations of x on y and y on x. When it is an actual mean, so we have to start with x, that is x minus x bar, r into, so this is x on y. So this is x on y, sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. So we have to start with x and we have to end up with y. Or else this can be written as sigma xy. So we have to multiply these two, sigma xy by, in the denominator there is y, it will be sigma y square. So this is for actual mean. So here, when the arithmetic mean is of whole number, then we choose this one. When the arithmetic mean is a fraction, which is not a whole number, then we choose the nearest value using the assumed mean. See here, the same regression equation of x on y will be, again we have to start with x minus x bar. So we have to end up with y minus y bar. In between bxy for the assumed mean. What is this bxy? Bxy is nothing but the same as this one. So here it is xy. Here it will be dx dy minus extension part. Individually we have to multiply sigma dx into sigma dy by n by, it is x on y. So here in the denominator there should be y here. So here there is y square. Here there will be dy square minus individually sigma dy whole square by n. So it is so simple if you practice. And the next equation is regression equation of y on x. So for actual mean, so we have to start with y minus y bar. When we select this actual mean, when the arithmetic mean is a whole number, when it is not a fraction. So we have to choose an actual mean. Directly you have to take that mean. That is y minus y bar is equal to r into sigma y by sigma x into, we have to end up with x minus x bar. Or else this correlation quotient can be otherwise written as sigma xy. So we have to make a product out of this by sigma. What is in the denominator? X. So it will be x square. So when the arithmetic mean is a fraction, so we have to take the nearest one. We have to assume that mean. So for the assumed mean, the same regression equation of y on x. So the y on x will be, we have to start with y, that is y minus y bar is equal to byx into, we have to end up with x, that is x minus x bar. What is bxy? Same as this one. That is bxy will be sigma. Here there is xy. Here it will be dx dy minus, individually we have to multiply sigma dx into sigma dy by n by, so x on y on x, in the denominator there will be x, that is sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square by n. So these are the four formulae which are very, very important. And now we are going to solve the problem, that is the heights of the mothers and the daughters are given. So here from the textbook, the heights of the mothers and the daughters are given, and we have to estimate the average height of the daughter. So we have to find out the average height of the daughter when the height of the mother is a 64.5 inches. So these are all the x series and these are all the y series, as x is the height of the mother and y is the height of the daughter. Now we have to use this table here. We tabulate the given values as follows. So here the x values and y values are given like this. Clear? And now we have to find out the this one. Which one we have to find out? So we have to find out the mean x bar. For all the x series, we have to make a total, that is 522. So here x bar will be sigma x by n, that is 522 by n are the number of observations, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to divide with 8. So this is a 65.25. And now we have to subtract each and every value. So it is a fraction which is not a whole number. So I am taking the nearest one. I am assuming this one. So I am taking each and every value of x, that is x minus. So this is x minus 65. Clear? Now I am taking each and every element from 65, that is 62 minus 65 is minus 3, and 63 minus 65 is minus 2, 64 minus 61 is minus 1, 64 minus 65, this is minus 1, 65 minus 60 0, 66 minus 65, that is a 68 minus 65, this is 3, and 70 minus 65, the value here is 5. Clear? And the next one, y bar. So we have to make a total. This is 530. So here y bar will be, mean will be sigma y by n. That is 530 by 8. The value here is 66.25. Now we have to assume certain mean. So there is no 66 in general. There is nearest to 67. And therefore I am taking each and every element of y. So here y minus 67 will be the dx1. So I have to subtract each and every element from 67. 64 minus 67 will be, this is minus 3. 65 minus 67 is minus 2. 61 minus 67, this is minus 6. 69 minus 67, it is 2. 67 minus 66, 0. 68 minus 67 is 1. This is a 71 minus 67. So this value is equal to 4. 65 minus 67, the value is equal to minus 2. Clear? And now we have to make a squares out of these. So in order to make a squares, it is so simple. That is dx square is the next table. Minus 3 square 9. Minus 2 square is plus 4. This is 1. Minus 1 square 0. This is 1 square, and 9. 3 square 9, this will be 25. Here this is also dy square. Minus 3 square is 9, minus 2 square is 4, minus 6 square, this is 36, 2 square, this is 4, this is 0, 1 square is 1, this is 4 square, this is 16, this value is equal to 4. And clearly this is dx into dy. So what is dx here? So this is dx and this is dy. And now we have to multiply this one. Minus 3 into minus 3, it is plus 9. And this is minus 2 into minus 2, this is plus 4. Minus 1 into minus 6, this is a 6. Minus 1 into 2, this value is equal to minus 2. 0 into 0, this is 0. This is 1 into 1, this is 1. This value is equal to 12. And this value is equal to, this value is equal to minus 10. Now we have to add up all these. After addition, see here, this is a sigma x. If you add, this will be 2. And if you add all this using your calci, this value is equal to 50. And if you add all these, see here, this will be minus 6. And if you add all these, so this is a 74. And if you add all these, this value is equal to, this is, see here, this value is equal to, let me check here, this is 9 plus 4 plus 6. This is minus 2 plus 1 plus 12. This is minus 10. The value here is equal to 20. So after getting all these values, so we need the height of the daughter. See here, height of the daughter is y. So we need the y equation upon x equation. So we have to find out the regression equation of y on x. So for that, all the values are ready here. That is a sigma dx square is 50 and sigma y value is equal to sigma y is equal to, see, sigma y is equal to 50, sigma dy value is equal to minus 6, sigma dy square is equal to 74, sigma dx dy is equal to minus 20. So all the values are ready here, and therefore, see here from the table, all the values are ready. That is the sigma x bar 522. See here, I am showing you, this is a sigma x bar, this is 522 here, and sigma y bar, this is 530 here, this is 530 here, sigma dx dy. So this column is sigma dx dy, so which is equal to, this is 20, and sigma dx. So what is sigma dx? This is a sigma dx, the value here is equal to 2. So this value is equal to 2, and sigma dy, let me show you, this is a sigma dy, the total is minus 6, and sigma dx square here. So what is dx square here? So dx square here is nothing but 50. So all the values are ready. So now we have to find the height of the daughter when the height of the mother is given. So we have to find out y on x. See here, just now I've told you the equation here. We have to start with y. This is y minus y bar, and this is b. Y on x. This is y on x, and we have to end up with x. So it will be x minus x bar. And what is this bxy? So it is also very easy to remember here. In between bxy, how to calculate? Sigma. So we have to multiply these two, dx dy minus. Individually we have to multiply sigma dx into this is a sigma dy by n. Clear? This is y on x. So we need x here. This is a sigma dx square minus this is a sigma dx whole square by n. So this is the value which is needed, and now I am going to substitute to find out the value to substitute here. That is sigma by is equal to, what is sigma dx dy? So sigma dx dy value is equal to 20. So I am substituting 20. What is sigma dx? Sigma dx value is equal to 2. So this value is equal to 2, and sigma dy value is equal to, this is minus 6 by n value is equal to 8 divided by, what is sigma dx square? So this value is equal to 50 minus sigma dx. So what is sigma dx? This is 2 square by n value is equal to 8. And now this is byx value is equal to 20 minus of minus plus. This is 12 by 8 divided by, this value is equal to 50 minus this is 4 by 8. So here if I use the calci here, then this will be very easy. So here this is 12 divided by 8. The value is 1.5. This is 20 plus this is 1.5 divided by, so here half. So this is 4 divided by 8. The value here is, this is a 50 minus 0.5. So here this will be 21.5 and this is 49.5. So here if you see, this is 21.5 divided by, this is 49.5. The value here is, this value is 0.434. So this value is 0.434. This is byx. So we got byx value as 0.434. Now we have to substitute here, that is y minus y bar, as the regression equation of y on x is nothing but, this is y minus y bar is equal to, this is byx into this is x minus x bar. So this value will be, if I show you what is y bar here, so y bar here is 530. So this is 530, this is 530, bxy is equal to, this is 0.434 into this is x minus x bar. So what is x bar here? 522. So this value is equal to 522. Now this will be the equation here if I solve. That is 5 minus 530 is equal to, if I multiply, this is 0.434x minus. So if I multiply, this will be 0.434 into, this is 522. The value here is 226.548. Clear? 226 point. Let me show you. X bar is equal to 65.25 and y bar is equal to 66 point. So here our x bar is wrong here. So I made a total here. So this is 65.25 and y bar value is equal to 66 point. This is 25. And now we have to substitute here. So y bar value and x bar value is wrong here. So let me cancel this one. This is y minus y bar. So what is y bar here? 66.25. This value is equal to 66.25 and byx value is equal to, this is 0.434 into x minus, what is x bar here? X bar value is equal to 65.25. So this value is equal to, this is a 65.25. Now if I multiply, that is y minus, this is a 66.25. So if I multiply, this will be 0.434 into x minus. If you multiply these two, see what happens here. This is a 0.434 into, this is a 65.25. The value here is, so this value is equal to 0.434 into, this is 65.25. The value here is This is 28.3185. So I need the value of y here. I am sending minus 66 to other side. So y is equal to, this is 0.434x minus, this is 28.3185, and this minus becomes plus, this will be 66.25. So y value is equal to 0.434x minus, so this is the bigger number here is, this is a 66.25 minus, this is 28.3185. The value here is 37. So this is 37. This will be 37.9315. Now here we have to go with the question here. So we have to find the height of the daughter. Height of the daughter here is y value. We need the y value when the x value, the height of the mother is given as 64.5. When the x value, when you substitute the height of the mother value as 64.5. So what will be the height of the daughter? So now if I substitute here, then this will be y is equal to 0.434 into, this is a 64.5 plus this is 37.9315. Then what will be the y value? So let me show you this one. That is 0.434 into, see here, this is 0.434 into, this is a 64.5. The value is this plus this is 37.9315. The value here is 65 point. This is a 65.92. Around the value here is 65.92. So this is the value here from the textbook also. So there are few steps here. In the textbook there are very few steps here. So all the steps are vividly explained through the table here. So here the value here is 65.923 when x value is given as, what is the x value here? 64.5. When you substitute x value as 64.5, we got the height of the daughter as a 65.92. So 65.923 is the answer. So from the table we have to draw this one, that is dx square, y dy square, and dx dy. And now we have to take all the values. So here is the x bar value, y bar value, dx dy, and dx square. So we have to find out the value of the height of the mother y. So we have to select y on x. So this is the formula here, and after substituting our bx value here, so byx value here is 0.434. Clear? And if you substitute here, that is 0.434 here in this value, and now here x bar value and y bar value is also very clear. So here 65.66. So this is 66.25 and this is 65.25 from the table, and we got the regression equation as this one. This is y on x, and after that we have to put the value of x as 64.5, so that we'll be getting the height of the daughter as 65.92. So this is how we have to solve. Hope I have given you a crystal clear idea on what is the formula and how to substitute and how to calculate the tables and what are the calculation steps. Thank you so much. If you really understand, please practice. These are all very important, most important questions. Definitely you can score full out of full if you follow this video and pass it on to as many friends as you can. That is the greatest help needed to this channel. And thank you so much for staying.